Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a full screen on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to find the solution about full screen on Snapchat, should just go to settings. In the first, you can go to the window of apps and you can click on Snapchat. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause you errors or can delete your account. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.